Listen up and listen clear. Listen up. Shut up! Shut up! I am 3 seconds from turning black right now on you. 3 seconds from turning black. Katie, you better hold this right now. Katie?
Wait.
What the heck did you do? You hurt my shampoo and you hurt my fox.
You're in my crotch.
You hurt my snow fox.
You're in my crotch.
That's disgusting. My fox. You hurt my snow. Take the booze. Just take the booze. I'm gonna take your life. My booze still hurt him. I hate you. Oh, give me my night fox. I need my bed. You're hurting him.
He said on the cup the thing was crossed out.
What?
Like, it wasn't his fault. The person who...
No, I was joking with him.
Okay, I'm gonna watch this video.